General Peter. In this class, I'll be talking about the final lab. So for this final lab, I'm working on FPG. So I'm going to start by going to equators. Yeah. So before I started the lab, I had to write my code, and from the lab that I had to do with canine maps. I think that should be lab 3. Yeah, lab 3. I was given this equation. I had to it's Fajano, not Falano. But in lab 3, I had to I was given this equation that I had to find the meaning term and max term, and also derive the truth table, which I was able to do here. So this is the meaning term. So right here, we know that when it's on any of these numbers, 0, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, the lights should be on. And any number other than that, it should be off. So here's my meaning term. I was able to derive my meaning term to be BD prime plus A prime, C prime, D prime plus ACD prime. And then for my max term, I was able to derive it to be D prime multiplied by A plus B plus C prime multiplied by A prime plus B plus C. And at the back here, I was able to derive my truth table. So I'm going to demonstrate it. So from the equators, after deriving my code, we can see here that this is my mean term and max term. So after doing that, I went to my FPG. The first thing I did was source. After source, I copied it from equators to source. Then once you're done with that, build. So build is kind of taking a while. Yeah. So after build, go to test. So after build, we click on test. We have to check out. Yes. Also 2 and 3. Okay. So we want to know that. So right here, the same thing that. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So the same thing that happens on this truth table is supposed to happen on this FPGA. So I'm going to put everything on 0. So if it's on 0, we should have the light to be on, because remember my equation was 0, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14. So we're gonna test for everything. So on 0, my light came on, which says, yeah, it's true. On 4, which should be 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0, the light is still on. So on 6, we should be 0, 1, 1, 0. The light is still on. On I have 6, I have 10. So 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. The light is still on. And on 12, I have 1100. So 1100, the light is still on. And on 14, I have 1110. 110, the light is still on. So we're gonna do a field test for when the light should be off. We know the light should be off on 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, and 15. We know the light should be off on all those, but yeah, we know the light should be off on all those. So I'm going to start from 1. We should have 0, 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 0, and 1. The light is off. That's on 1. So I'm going to try 7, which should be 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1, 1. The light should be off at 7. Then I'm gonna try at 13. 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1. The light should definitely be off at that point. Then I'm going to try 14 because we know the light should be on at 14. So 1, 1, 1, 0. Yeah, so at 14 the light is on. So this verifies that this is correct. So I have come to the conclusion of my video. Thank you very much.